Remember, this is a science experiment. Alright, let's go try to blow up this pumpkin. It got a little rotten over the past couple days, but you know, maybe that makes it easier to blow out its face, huh? Hey, it almost worked as intended. It smells like gunpowder and pumpkin bits of the rotten variety. But you know what? It's still a win. Alright, gotta be careful here in case any of them didn't blow up. It's like a lot of them did. Thanks for the help, jack-o'-lantern. May the flies find you delicious. Godspeed. I should get out of here before anyone calls the cops. Catch you guys in the next time. Thanks for watching, gamers!